Good morning, boys and girls. How are you doing today? Awesome. We're happy to see that all of you are very excited and to start learning today. Today we're going to begin with a math lesson, a very fun and interesting math lesson. But first, we're going to review what we have been learning in the past days, which you guys have been doing awesome, which is a mental math. Right? Are we all very good at mental math now? Yes, right? I've been seeing it in your grades, how you all are doing great. So before we begin our lesson for today, we're going to review our mental math, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass out some flashcards. Each flashcard has two sides, two different colors. In the orange side, we have a one-digit number. In the green side, we have a double-digit number. Okay? So I'm going to give one to everyone. All right? Here. You're welcome. You're welcome. Great. Okay. So does everyone have one? Yes? Awesome. So, first, I'm going to begin by calling two students. The first two students are going to get their flashcard and show all the class their orange side, their one-digit number. Okay? And then I'm going to call a third student. And that third student is going to tell me the sum of those two numbers. Okay? So let's do it one time so that we all know what I'm talking about. Okay? So Raciel, show us your number, your orange side, your one digit. 5. Very good. Okay. Now Veronica, show me yours. 2. Awesome. Now Rausel, what's the sum of these two numbers? Of 5 and 2? 7. Awesome. Great. I see that those mental math skills are very good. Okay, let's try it one more time. Miguel, show me your number. Show all the class your number. 9. Very good. Okay, now Alexa, show us your number. 3. Awesome. Okay, so now Livinik, what is the sum of those two numbers? Of 9 and 3? 12. Awesome. I like how fast you answered to that. Very good. So one more time, one third time. Third and last time. Jonathan, show us your number. 1. Okay. Now Mariana, show us your number. 4. Okay. And now Jacob, 1 plus 4? 5. Awesome. Very good. So now we're going to watch a video to introduce us to our new lesson, which is adding two-digit numbers, which is not difficult. It's just a little bit more challenging, but it's just as fun. Okay? So let's watch your video. Okay. Very good. Okay. Did you like the video? Yes? I know you have some questions, so we're going to explain it. I'm going to explain it a little bit more, and we're going to practice the problems, okay? So did you all hear the new word for math that the video mentioned a lot? Regroup, right? They mentioned the word regroup. I'm going to write it on the board. So we have it here. Regroup. Our new math vocabulary. Regroup. Which means making, oops, that doesn't look very nice. Making a new 10 from the ones. So I know it might look confusing, I know, but I'm going to work out a problem so that this makes sense. Okay? And also, before I begin with the first problem, I'm going to show you a little phrase that's going to help us throughout today's lesson. Okay? If it is 10 or more, if it is 10 or more, carry next door. Okay, can we remember that? Yes, right? If it is 10 or more, carry next door. So let's see. Let's try the first problem. So we have 37 and 19. And we're adding these two numbers. Okay? So we're going to begin. The first step, we're going to do a T-chart. We're going to create a T-chart to divide our, what are these numbers called? The ones on the right. Ones. Very good. Ones. And these on the left? Tens. Awesome. Okay. Tens. So when we do two-digit addition, what we're going to do, we first add our ones. Okay? So 9 plus 7. Is our mental math? We've been practicing. 13. Awesome. Okay. So we have 13. And what does our phrase say? If it is, sorry, yes, you're right, Mariana. My mistake. 16. But our phrase says, if it is 10 or more, carry next door. Alright? So we're going to carry our 1 next door. We're going to bring our tens in our answer. We're going to carry it over here with the rest of the tens. And we're going to erase it from here. We're only going to keep our 6, our ones place. So 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1, 5. So our answer is 56. So you're wondering, what does regroup have to do here, right? Like, how did I get that? And regroup, once again, it means making a new 10 from the ones. So if we do cubes or squares for our ones addition, let me do squares for our ones. 5, 6, 7. So we have our 7 cubes for our 7. And then I'm going to do 9 over here for our 9 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our definition says making a new 10 from the ones. Can we make it 10 from our ones? Yes, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have 10 ones. So that's 110, okay? So we're going to bring our 10s with the rest of our 10s. So that's why we brought our 1 over here. Here we got 16, but we brought our 1 with the 10s. Because remember, in the ones place, we can only have numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, and the rest we carry it on. Remember, if it is 10 or more, we carry on. We're always going to carry on our tens place. Alright? So now what I'm going to do, sorry, I don't find the eraser. There, I got it. Okay, so now I'm going to do another problem. One more. Plus 45. Our first step is to divide. We do a T-chart to divide our ones and our tens. So 6 plus 5, 11, right? But if is it 10 or more? Yes, right? So we're gonna put our 1 and carry our 1 from the tens place over here. We're gonna carry it on and we're gonna erase it from here. So now we're going to add it with the rest of the tens. 4 plus 3, 7. Plus our 1 that we carried, 8. Very good, 81. Okay, so now, you know how we did it right now? When we began, that we used our flashcards to add 1-digit numbers. Now we're going to use our green side with the 2-digit numbers. So Manuel, show me your green side. 29. Show all the clouds your 29. Awesome.